Hello guys, so let's continue with this one. So onto or into, how do you find if it's onto or into using graph? You can't always look for all the values, right? You can just go to Desmos and do the graph and you can find it. So that's how you do it. So you just go to Desmos and type those two, type the function, okay? And draw a line from where you like, where it must intersect. So if it's an onto function, the horizontal line must intersect the function at least once. So if the horizontal line doesn't intersect the function at least once, then it means that the function is into. Okay, so that's what I wanted to convey. Onto can be both one to one and many to one. Into is nothing. It's just like an unreal function, you can say, with no root, right? Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.